Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to my channel. In this video, I show you how to keep desktop more smooth and more clean and a small your desktop icon. You are showing in left that my desktop icon is already organized. You also keep desktop icon as like me, small and organized. If you want to keep your desktop icon small, right click, view, small icon. If you prefer medium icon, then click medium icon. If anyone prefer large icon, click right click, view large icon. I always prefer a small icon. If anyone want to customize your icon more precisely, you need to change some setting in registry. It is recommended before edit registry you need to backup your registry. If you are not expert, it is not recommended to edit the registry. To edit registry, right click Windows, search RUN, type REGEDIT. Then go to current user, control panel, desktop, Windows matrix. Here you have to edit icon vertical spacing and icon spacing. It is default value is 1150. You are seeing that it is edited to I edited to minus 800 and vertical spaces is edited to minus 800. After update the registry, you need to restart your file explorer. Right click at taskbar, click taskbar, search for explorer, right click on it and restart it. After restart, you will see that icon size and icon in icon spacing is reduced and you are getting a small icon in your desktop. Thank you watching my video. Regular basis I will post IT related several video. Please subscribe my channel and keep following. Thank you.